Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Drone Transmitter is probably one of the most important components for any drone pilot, offering seamless control and reliable signal transmission for a smooth and safe flight experience. This video will dive deep into what makes a great drone transmitter, exploring key features, functionalities, and factors to consider when choosing one that perfectly suits your needs and budget, ensuring you get the most out of your drone. Number 5. Flysky FS I6X Transmitter. It offers superior protection against interference. This ensures a reliable connection while using less power. It's capable of sending and receiving data from various sensors. This allows for features like servo calibration and iBus support. Each transmitter and receiver has its own unique ID for secure pairing. This prevents accidental interference from other systems. The high-gain antenna minimizes interference. It maintains a strong connection while using less power. It uses highly sensitive, low-power components. This dramatically extends battery life compared to standard FM systems. Enjoy longer operation times with its power-efficient design. This means less time worrying about recharging and more time enjoying your hobby. What we like. It boasts impressively low power consumption and high receiver sensitivity, extending your battery life significantly. The unique ID pairing ensures interference-free operation. If you prioritize long flight times and reliable connections, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Fast delivery. I use this radio for my FMS 800mm Corsair and my 64mm FMS Rafale EDF jet. We'll also be using with all future airplanes. Can't beat the price. It's a 10-channel radio, tons of features and simple to program, will hold up to 20 airplanes. The cheapo HK sets had no programming. This transmitter does it all with easier menus than the old DX6. Best news is that this XMTR works with both its AFSDS2 receivers as well as the original AFSDS receivers from the cheapo HK sets. No need to buy a half dozen new receivers. It came with a receiver that can be installed on any number of different RC products, whether it be a RC truck, airplane, helicopter, or quadcopter. Number 4. Flysky FS I6X RC Transmitter. Get ready to experience superior control with the Flysky FS I6X. It's a 10-channel transmitter, offering unparalleled precision and responsiveness for your RC adventures. This isn't your average transmitter. It boasts bidirectional communication, allowing it to receive data from various sensors, enhancing your control and providing valuable feedback. It uses a multi-channel hopping frequency system, ensuring a reliable connection free from interference, even in crowded environments. This is achieved by hopping between multiple channels. The high-gain omnidirectional antenna provides a strong, consistent signal, minimizing interference and maximizing range, keeping you connected wherever you go. Enjoy extended battery life with its low power consumption design. It uses highly sensitive components, ensuring long operational times without compromising performance. The FS I6X is initially 6-channel but easily upgrades to 10 channels with the appropriate receiver, unlocking even more control possibilities. What we like. This offers multi-channel hopping frequency for minimal interference and a wide range of operation. It also features low power consumption for extended use. If you need reliable performance across multiple channels and long battery life, this is an excellent option. What people say. It has 10 channels and receiver, which are quite helpful. Plugged in right into my Arduino, with the code copied from the DroneBot workshop tutorial, and immediately worked, exactly what I was hoping for, controls 2 DC motors easily. Uses iBus, which is a serial protocol that makes wiring super easy, basically one wire connection to the computer module in use. I'm using Arduino Mega. Very easy to configure switches and make the whole thing work. Number 3. Radiolink T8S RC Transmitter. Experience unparalleled control with the T8S. Its advanced technology ensures a stable signal up to 2.5 miles away, giving you the confidence to explore. It provides real-time information. Monitor your aircraft's voltage, and with additional modules, access data like speed, altitude, and more, directly on the screen. This system boasts 12 channels, dual rates, throttle lock, and customizable switches. It's adaptable to your specific needs and flying style. It seamlessly integrates with various receivers and supports a wide range of aircraft, from airplanes and helicopters to boats and cars. Easily switch between 15 stored models. The user-friendly interface is simple to navigate, regardless of your experience level. Binding is effortless, requiring no special settings. It prioritizes your safety with features like RSSI alerts, low-voltage alarms, and fail-safe protection. Audio and visual warnings ensure you're always informed. With multiple switches, you can fully customize all 12 channels to match your preferences and control scheme. It's all about your control. What we like. It stands out with its 12 channels and real-time telemetry features, providing comprehensive flight data. Its impressive range makes it suitable for various applications. If you require extensive control and real-time feedback, this transmitter is ideal for you. What people say. The reception is great as tested against spectrum at ground level, and it worked great. Flew my helicopter up until I could not see it and still had full reception bars on the transmitter. You get signal strength, receiver battery voltage and flight pack voltage all on screen during flight. The gimbals are far smoother than my Spectrum 912 and DX8G2. Easy to bind, I set it up on my PA-18 Cub with flaps. Set up 2 of the switches for my needs, again easy to figure out without the manual. Went to the flying field today and flew the Cub several times without a hitch. The response is excellent. I used the 12-channel receiver it came with. This radio has most of the bells and whistles of those systems. Number 2. Radiolink T8S RC Transmitter. Get ready to experience superior control with the Radiolink T8S. It's packed with features for all your RC needs, from drones to boats and more. Enjoy stable, long-range control thanks to its advanced FHSS technology. It boasts a range of up to 1.3 miles in the air, and even further with the optional R8XM receiver. It offers 8 channels, low latency, a 1-button dual-rate switch, and a host of other features to enhance your RC experience. Plus, it has a built-in rechargeable battery for hours of use. Setting it up is a breeze. Connect it to your smartphone app via Bluetooth or your computer via USB. You can even update its firmware to access the latest features. This transmitter is designed for comfort and a secure grip. Its ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hands, and the mode can be easily changed through the app. It works seamlessly with a wide range of flight controllers, MCUs, and SBCs, giving you unparalleled flexibility in control. It's compatible with popular options like Pilot, Arduino, and Raspberry Pi. What we like. It's easy to set up, connecting seamlessly with your devices via Bluetooth or USB. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling. If you value user-friendliness and comfort, this is a great option. What people say. It's super easy to use as it comes with a receiver that you don't have to do anything special to bind them. Just put the receiver in bind mode and turn on your controller and it's done. It works as good as a big transmitter but is small and light, feels good in your hand. The controller is very simple to use and set up with a mobile device. Once paired with the mobile app, you can create different profiles and save them to your mobile storage. Number 1. Flysky FS i6X RC Transmitter. Get ready to experience superior control with the Flysky FS i6X. It's packed with features designed for seamless operation and reliable performance. This system uses a wide frequency range divided into 135 channels, hopping between 16 to minimize interference from other transmitters. Enjoy a clean, reliable signal every time. It features a unique ID system. This ensures that it only communicates with its paired receiver, preventing accidental interference from other systems. Experience the power of bidirectional communication. It can send and receive data from various sensors, supporting features like servo calibration and iBus. The high-efficiency antenna minimizes interference while using less power. This means a strong, reliable connection with extended range. It's designed for efficiency. It uses highly sensitive, low-power components, extending your battery life significantly compared to standard FM systems. What we like. It features multi-channel hopping frequency to minimize interference, along with a unique ID recognition system for secure connections. Low power consumption ensures extended flight times. If you need a reliable, interference-free system with long battery life, this is a great choice. What people say. This radio has a left and right variable right roller knob located at the respective top-lower corners that I tie to the tracks of an excavator, for example, and then use the sticks for boom and stick operation. I have never had an issue with this brand. Never had quality concerns. No malfunctions across 8 different models and 3 different radios from this brand. It feels pretty cheap. This thing is pretty indestructible. While out at the river using our RC boats, my friend's 2-year-old hurled my remote into the water. I drained it, popped off the back to let it dry, and it works great. The remote has everything I want in it, and it's awesome. As I expand my RC use, I keep finding more things that this remote can do. This transmitter-receiver combo is a nice cost-effective choice for flying if you need up to 10 channels. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.